From page, Allahu Akbar. Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. So today our group would like to present about our mini project reservation system. Next. Problem statement. The inability for user to book a room via online due to the non-existent system specific for the particular use. User can create account to get reports regarding any information such as the customer's data, any available room, and even the resort utilities. Objective: to develop an easy system where the tourist can easily book a room, check available room, price, and make a demand to fulfill the tourist certification. To provide an up-to-date information to tourists about the package availability. To create a system that efficiently handles billing and payment. To allow users to double-check their orders. The system will automatically calculate the tourist total payment and display the price of the package that has been booked. It is to ensure that our visitors receive excellent service. Next. Target user. First is employee. Log in, add or update information about the product, add new package, delete the package, dealing with customer details. Second is tourist. Register, log in, view package detail, search package according to room type, insert information such as name, phone number, and email. Select a payment method. The function in the project customer: room booking, user registration, payment method, report regarding any information such as the customer data and available room, and even the resort utilities. So this is our Gantt chart, the process that we use to track our work. Next, I would like to pass to Faiz.
Assalamualaikum. So I will explain about the milestone 2 analysis, which is first A is the use case diagram. As we can see, we have the customer resort system as the actor, and we have the register account, booking, and payment. Next. And B, we have the flow of event, where we have a use case named book room. Actors are the customer. Description: book a room by using existing account and using online banking. The preconditions, the post conditions, normal flow, alternative flows, and the exceptions. Next. Here we have the activity diagram, which first we are making the payment, where the customer will make a payment via online payment, verify online payment, then verify username and password. Next. Second is register account, where the customer will register username. Then the username will be verified. If it's valid, it will go down. If it's invalid, it will go back up, where the customer will enter a username that is correct. Then the customer, if it's valid, will register the password, and the verification process will be proceed. Next. The third one is the booking, where the first process is select package number, then to check package number, then to check whether it is valid or invalid. If it's valid, the package availability, and then it will check its availability. If it's available, it will go down. Next. The fourth, or the D, is the sequence diagram, which we will have for here, which is application, system, user account, and banking. First, the customer will sign up, then it will process to the verification. If it's already been signed up, the customer can log in without signing. Then it will again repeat the same process, which is verification in the application. After that, after the customer is logged in, they can select a package via the system and via the user account that they just logged in and or sign up. Then after they just selected the package, they will proceed to pay via banking. It means that they will use their online banking system. Next. The third one I will pass to Haika.
Assalamualaikum. I will talk about the milestone 4 at milestone 3, which is architecture and design. First, we have the user account as entity. The attribute is username, password, birth date, bank account number, and bank account password. For the operation is enter username, enter password, enter birth date, enter bank account number, and enter bank account password. Second, we have system as the control. The attribute is package, and the operation is select. Next, we have application as boundary. The attribute is sign up and login. The operation is enter username, enter password, and verify. And last one is banking. The attribute is account. The operation is enter username, enter password, verify, enter amount, status, and pay. Next one is milestone 4, is testing. For the test case, first we test for the sign up. The test case is enter valid username and enter valid password. For this one, if only one, if we need two, which is the username and password is valid, so it will give a successful sign up, and the other will invalid. Okay, next. We will test for the package. For the package, we must enter a valid and available package. If one is unavailable or invalid, it will give a message, please select a valid is shown. Okay, next one. The test case for payment. The test case, which is enter a valid username and password. If one invalid, it will give a message, please enter a valid username or password. Okay, next. Okay, for the user interface, I will pass to the Arif.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and salam sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Arif Ramli, and I'm going to continue the presentation on user interface. So first of all, our user interface has three different use cases, which is to sign up or register an account. The second one is to book the package of the resort, and the last one is to make a payment. So from the screen that you can see over here, first of all is to register an account. So on the first picture, we can see the user interface of our application for you to use to sign up. So the page will prompt the user to enter their username and the password. Meanwhile, on the second picture, we can see that the username already exists. That's why the user has to enter a new username. Next, on the third picture, there's an error when it comes to the password because their password is too weak. So in order to get like good password, they have to include alphabetical number and alphabet and also a number. So if all that is valid, now it says that congratulations, and you have successfully created an account for Sapan Resort System. So that means the user already successfully created an account because their username and password are all valid. Next. The second one is to book a package. So after being able to create an account, the user will be prompted with new page, which is the package selection page. Over here, there are like multiple packages that the user can choose from, which is the package A, package B, and package C. So over here, what the user needs to do is to enter their desirable package or the package that they want. So in the second picture, as you can see, the user entered D as their desired package, which is not a valid package. That's why they will be prompted with a message in red saying that please enter a valid package. Next. So what if the user enters C? So if they enter a desirable package as C, they will be prompted with a message saying that the package is unavailable. So the user needs to enter a package that is available to choose from. So on the fourth picture, the user actually picked one that is available, which is the package number A. Next. So after being able to do that, they will be prompted with a message saying congratulations that they have successfully booked a resort under the package A. Next. And last but not least, this is for the payment. So the first pictures show that the payment page that the user can use to make a form of payment. So there are 4 things they need to know, which is the online banking. They need to enter the bank that they want, their username, their password, and their payment amount. The payment amount has already been fixed by the resort itself based on the package that they chose. So on the second picture, the user entered a wrong username and they are prompted with the message saying that their username is wrong in red. Next. And the third picture saying that they entered the password wrongly too. So they have to change their password into a correct password because online banking is already exists. It's a system that already been exists. It cannot be created anew. So they need to enter a new password. No, they do not enter a new password. They need to enter the password that they already have, which is the right password. So after they have entered all the correct or valid username and password, they will be prompted with a key that they can click, which is to confirm their payment. Next. And after that, they are greeted with congrats message saying that the payment is successful. And that's all from our team. Thank you so much.